Alright everybody, the mission today is we're going to drive to Lenoir City here in Tennessee and show someone how to ride dirt the first time. There's not really showing someone to ride dirt for the first time, but there's a lack of confidence in his dirt bike ability. So we're going to an old farm, going to put him on a little 125 and then maybe a 250, and there's better areas to cruise down there once he's comfortable, and we know he'll get comfortable. I am on the DRZ today, and it is about 6 a.m. Here we go, interstate bound on a DRZ400. These, look at that, 78 miles an hour. That's exactly why these little bikes excel. I mean, I came down that off-ramp and we are just hammering it out just fine. Groove pavement, knobbies, interstate. Yeah, living the dream. I didn't know they had grooved it all up. Yeah, I'm gonna get a truck pass on the interstate, on a DRZ 400, on groove pavement with knobbies. We're on 62 heading toward Lenoir City. It's about a 100-mile jaunt down there to where Michael's farm is. Well, actually, it's his dad's farm that we're going to meet a buddy to go ride with. So it's beautiful up here. We're taking Route 62, which is a back road. We just jumped on the interstate this morning to save some time getting up to this road. The advantage to a DRZ or dual sport bike, and really why I like the DRZ 400, is it can jump on the interstate and be comfortable, jump on these roads, I mean, just, this is one of the things it was made for. Highway like this, I'm doing 65, 70, and the bike's not struggling, it's not particularly vibey, it's just riding. If I had a windscreen, I'd be in the lap of luxury. And then we'll ride this highway into the town, and of course it's a good commuter bike. And then we'll be on some dirt roads, and I'll probably take this one up around the farm.
Once arriving at our destination, we had to take a minute to look around at all the cool stuff. And everything had its own story.
I won this thing on eBay for about $400. It was in Vineland, New Jersey. That was in Vineland, New Jersey, in a garage up there that he had put it up. And I wonder if it already had one of them. It wasn't that nice. I brought it home, and it sat around without anything going on. I didn't get back on it. I knew I had it. I didn't know a whole lot about it. Cylinder was off of it. It needed boring. That was the only thing I could see that was really wrong. I could run through the gears, but I'm capable of splitting cases and do all of that sort of thing. So the frame does not have a ding in it from hitting a rock or anything. Long story short, we had a contest at Time War. And you had to have a vintage bike. There was no money placed on what you could have or spend on it.
Okay.
But you had to bring it back to rideable, and you had to be able to ride it about 50 miles loop. And then it was going to be a drawing. And to start with, we only had 3 people entered, and I put $100 in the kitty. Well, that fell through. So then we came back around to it, and I've gone and got pictures of me bringing this back to life, parts, pieces, and every bearing in that bike is original. There was not a bad bearing, not in the steering head, not anywhere.
Really?
The swing arm, when I pulled it apart, still had factory grease in it that was now just honeycomb.
Right.
So it hardened. Cleaned it all up, they look new. They look new. I don't think the front brake shoes have ever been engaged till I bought it. I really don't.
It was time to ride.
I just know I want his first moment should be videotaped so that he'll have them for later.
No pressure at all, right?
Yeah, no pressure at all. Just ride around and have fun, man. You are an instigator.
That is the coolest thing ever, man.
So is the plan to get a motorcycle now?
I think I'm in love. Yeah, I think I would like riding like through the trees and in the woods and all.
It was a good day teaching someone to ride, and despite summer showers, it was fun to be on the motorcycle and ride around Middle Tennessee. Leave a comment and I'll answer it. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping videos every Monday and most Fridays. I say most Fridays because I know I've missed, oh, a deer, a doe, a deer, a female. Wow, she's just hanging right there. All right. Because I have missed a few Fridays, things have been going on. There will be more on that shortly. Upcoming things are, of course, the BDR, packing for the BDR, what I'm taking on my trip. See y'all on the road.